All right, when the tardy bell goes off, it's too late. The answer is 70. Next one. Now it's time for the regular warm-up. The answer for this problem is 12. Answer is 9. Answer is 3. Time for the homework check. So we have 18 out of 22, which translates into a percent of 82%. For those who have credit for today's homework, you bring up a number from 1 to 20 and drop it off. If you win, you get 20 points. The winning number is 14. Here is a fast multiple choice before we go to the homework answers. You write the letter of the correct answer. Again, it's the letter of the correct answer in block letter form. All right, for the answer here, it should be -1, which is D. The answers to the homework. Here is page 1, and I will outline each one so you can see where they're at if it's a little blurry. Number 1 is here. This is number 1. Number 2 is here. 3 is straight across, left to right, through 7 on the y-axis. 4 is here. And 5 is here. Page 2, and here they are outlined again for you. Number 6 is going to be right up against number 8, but it's to the right of it. It's what's highlighted in pink here and here, just to the right of number 8. Number 7 is a vertical line through -4. Number 8 is just to the left of number 6. 9 is here. And 10 is here. All right, here's a quick 10 review. 10 questions, really fast. Just say the answer out loud. What is the slope?
-2 over 3.
-2 over 3. What is the slope?
-1.
X over 1.
-1 over 1.
-1 or -1 over 1. What is the, or for this one, is this vertical or horizontal?
Vertical.
Vertical, straight up and down. Vertical or horizontal?
Horizontal.
Horizontal, left to right. What's the y-intercept?
-2.
What is the y-intercept?
1.
0. There's nothing out here to the right of it on the y-intercept. The 1 is the slope. There's nothing out here, so it's 0 for the y-intercept. What is the slope? What is the slope? What is, does it rise or fall to the right? It will fall to the right because it's negative. Negative lines will lower themselves as they go to the right. Rise or fall to the right? Rise, because it's positive. You go up and then over, up and then over. Here's a lottery for everybody. 1 to 10. The winning number is 2. Today's objective: to graph equations on coordinate axes with labels and scales in preparation for more difficult stuff next week. But tomorrow you have a test over what we've done this week. Example 1. Where do I go first? You go to positive 8. Make a dot. Then what do I do from there? Down 2 and to the left 3? To the right 3, yes. So once we are there, you make up your 2 dots, and the line tool will make this in red. Try to get it right on it. Oh, it's a little bit off, but that's the best I can do with my stuff here. Example number 2. Where do I go first in this problem? Negative 4 on the y-axis, so make a dot. And what do I do once I'm at negative 4? Down 1 and over 1 because the slope was negative 1. So match up those dots with a line. Oh, I just about got it. Didn't even have to move it. On your graph, you have to go to 0 for the y-intercept and make a dot. And then go up 1 and to the right 2. When you get your tool out here and draw the line, should go like that. And the arrows here and there. Answer to the first bonus is 4. I'll take the first 7 on this one. The answer to this problem should be positive 2, and here's why. It's negative x equals negative 4 plus 2. Negative x equals negative 2 is not the answer. You divide negative 2 by this negative 1 to get a positive 2. Pick a number from 1 to 10. The winning number is 9. What? On the practice problem, you need a dot at the negative 2 on the y-axis, and you go up 6 and to the right 1, and then make a line. That line should look like this, arrows at both ends. A bonus to the first 8. Answer to the bonus is 6. To the first 8 people. Answer to this bonus is 15. The answer should be C. The answer should be B. For example 3, it's already worked out, and this will be extra credit on the test tomorrow if it does show up. And that is, you're given 3 or more lines to draw, and it creates a figure in the middle for which you have to find the area. In this case, I have graphed x equals 3 as a vertical line here, y equals negative 2 as a horizontal line there, and y equals 2x plus 2 as a diagonal line there. Notice it's created a triangle, and if you count off the blocks, you have a base of 5 and a height of 10. The area for the formula for the area of a rectangle is area equals base times height divided by 2. So in this case it would be 5 times 10 is 50, divide by 2, that's 25. For your practice problem, let's graph the first one, y equals negative 3. It's going to be a horizontal line right there, and put the arrows on it. Next up, we're going to have y equals 3. It'll be a horizontal line through there with the arrows. And then x equals 4 is going to be a vertical line. It passes through 4 on the x-axis. And the last one we have to graph is x equals negative 4. And it's also a vertical line through negative 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. There it is. And we have to find the area of the figure inside here. Notice that it's going to have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 for a length, and then a height of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. The area of a box is 8 times 6, which is 48.